Do you remember memorizing the multiplication table? How about memorizing all the algorithms? Well, guess what? We are no longer teaching math in a way that builds critical thinking. Rather, we are back to basics. Thank you, Doug and Lisa.
Now let's see. Traditional or basic math typically teaches a math or algorithm first and then teaches the application for the method. Focus is on repetition and drill. Discovery math aims to establish conceptual and applied understanding before procedural understanding.
Math fundamentals. What does she mean by fundamentals? According to our Minister of Education, Lisa Thompson, yes, rote learning will be part of it, which means students memorizing the times tables once again. But the new math curriculum will also be aimed at helping students gain the skills they need for life. End quote. But I thought we were moving to 21st century competencies, which, by the way, was written by the Ministry of Education just in 2016. Thank you, former Minister Mitzi Hunter, where we were going from fostering competency over skills. This back to basic math is bringing back a math curriculum that teaches our students the skills to accurately solve the problems on a test, over teaching them the competencies to comprise skills and apply knowledge in any context. So maybe call this change skills for EQAO math test.
Rote learning is not as effective. Providing one way of learning math doesn't adhere to the UDL and respond to our students' differentiated needs. Hashtag OCT ethical standard, hashtag OCT standards of practice. While rote learning and meaningful learning are both ways of learning, they're very different. Meaningful learning involves understanding how all the pieces of the entire concept fit together. It's active, constructive, long lasting, but most importantly, it allows students to be fully engaged in the learning process. Meaningful learning allows students to build higher order thinking skills. Now, the change in the math curriculum was based on the grade 3, 6, and 9 math performance result, or EQAO, not an adequate reflection of the students in all grades. While EQAO math scores have been declining, it's unclear exactly where they stand nationwide. Experts described many possible reasons for the change in math scores, including the fact that everyday use of math has changed and that students practice it less outside of school hours. However, it is not possible to compare the Ontario results to other provincial results because each province has its own metric for assessing students.
So, what is the real goal of changing the math curriculum? Is it scoring higher in EQAO or students learning higher competency in math? Curriculum needs to be changed or the method of assessment needs to be changed? Now you decide. Math education is incomplete without both forms being taught together and knowing when to apply those skills in a rich problem environment. That's when you become a mathematician.